Marco Colbert, Speedokote Refinishing Network. I got a video for my DIY people that want to do work themselves. They might not have, thousands of dollars worth of equipment to do this job. And at the same point in time, we're also going to do a small project reveal for you guys. We're going to go ahead and pop the garage and see what we got going on. Hey guys, we're going to be doing a headlight restoration on the OEM headlights. That is going to cost nothing more than $30. You don't need any tools to do this job, and we're going to show you guys how we're going to do it today. To Home Depot to pick up one of these loadable aerosol can systems. Guys, here's a system, $497, and then we're also going to get a replacement unit. We'll do one for each headlight. All you're going to need to sand the headlights out is a little bit of water, a piece of 2000 grit. These will cost you about 50 cents a sheet or less. And we're just going to go ahead and sand this film off, get them nice and cleaned up and ready for some clear coat. So we got our clear coat already mixed up. We're going to go ahead and open this up and load up our clear coat in this system and get the spraying. Really guys, I did this video to show that you don't need thousands of dollars worth of equipment and an expensive shop to get really high quality results like this. Once again guys, for less than $30, you get your Prevail loadable aerosol can system, one of our smallest Speedline clear kits, or whichever clear coat you decide to go with, and one piece of 2000 grit sandpaper. You can have brand new looking headlights just like this. So that wraps it up guys. Like, subscribe, new videos every week.